Previously, we'll have learnt P by Q form, converting into P by Q form. Now, I'm giving how to find irrational numbers. How to find irrational numbers between two rational numbers. See, one question I'm giving. The find irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. See, question 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. He is asking find irrational. This is question number 8 from exercise 1.3. Find irrational numbers between two rational numbers. This is a rational. This is also rational. He is asking irrational number between these two. Irrational numbers between these two. Very simple, Nana. First you convert 5 by 7 into decimal expansion. This one also decimal expansion. In these two decimal expansions, you need to write, you can write any non-terminating, not repeating decimals. Non-terminating, not repeating decimals. For example, I am giving, see this, 2, for example, not this question, I am giving explanation for this model question. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 is a rational number, you know. 3 is also a rational number. My question is, find any 3 irrational numbers in between 2 and 3. Irrational numbers in the sense non-terminating, there is no end, not repeating decimals. Non-terminating, not repeating in the sense in between 2 and 3, non-terminating, not repeating. Any 3 you write. Right? 2 after 2 in between 2 and 3. I am writing 2.16791289137 and so on. This is one number. In between 2 and 3 only, no? This is non-terminating, not repeating. This is irrational. Second one, anything you can write. So many, infinitely many rational numbers are there. Infinitely many irrational numbers are there. Infinitely many real numbers also there in between two real numbers. Okay, by using this approach, you can write anything. 2.231693218917 like that. Non-terminating, not repeating. These are all rational. First rational, second rational, third rational, fourth rational. How many you want to write? Those many. Like the same question from exercise. 5 by 7 is first rational number. 9 by 11 is second rational number. First you convert into decimal form. This also decimal form. In those two decimal forms, you create like this. So many decimal forms. This is about question number 8. Okay. According to that, we'll find out. Now, one more point I need to explain, that is about pi. Pi. You know the pi. What is pi? Already we are using this pi in circles chapter, area of circle, pi r square, circumference of circle, c is equal to 2 pi r. We are using, what is pi? Pi is, very important thing, pi is the ratio between circumference by diameter. Once again, pi is a constant which is taken from, pi is the ratio of circumference and diameter of a circle, c by d. Already we are using pi value in our previous classes. Next year, today, next year, afterwards we are using pi value. What is the pi value? 22 by 7 we are using. By taking that 22, what we are using? Pi is equal to 22 by 7. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 you are using. Now my question is pi a rational or irrational? My answer. Repeat my question. Pi is a rational or irrational? By seeing this value, everyone is saying that pi is equal to 22 by 7. It is look like P by Q. So it is a rational. No, it is not a rational number. It is not a rational. It is not rational. Why? Sir, you are saying that pi is equal to 22 by 7. It is there in P by Q form. Then that is a rational. But why are you writing not rational? Now pi is irrational. Pi is irrational. Why pi is irrational? Why pi is irrational? Pi is irrational is correct. Why pi is irrational? 22 by 7 is not a fixed value, no, it is not correct value. For doing problems, we are taking approximate value, we are taking the fraction into 22 by 7. This is not exact value. 22 by 7 is not exact value. That is not correct answer. We are taking that is very near value 22 by 7. We are taking that our simplification purpose, we are taking 22 by 7. What is the value, correct value of pi? Pi is irrational. Pi is irrational. Pi also, value of pi also non-terminating, not repeating decimal. What is it? Pi is irrational. Remember that. Pi is irrational. E also there. E also there. Irrational. We discuss it. You will learn in intermediate time. Pi is irrational. Irrational in the sense non-terminating, not repeating decimal. Pi value is not 22 by 7. This is not accurate value. Pi, what is pi value? Pi is irrational. Pi value is equal to, once you go to our history, Aryabhatta given value for pi exactly. Who given? Aryabhatta 3.1416. Pi value 3.1416. Aryabhatta given for exactly 4 decimals. Who? Aryabhatta. Very important bit. Who given the pi value at exactly for 4 decimal places? Aryabhatta 3.1416. This is very important. One more mathematician, Archimedes. Archimedes. Archimedes given the pi value. He said that pi value in between 3.02 less than pi less than 3.1428. He given the value like this. Who given this value? Archimedes. Archimedes given pi value. He said that pi value lies between 3.02 to 3.1428. In between these two. Who given pi value for exactly 4 decimal places? Aryabhatta. Archimedes given this value 3.1402. In between 3.14022 to 3.1428. This is Aryabhatta. Archimedes and Aryabhatta. These two. Then our Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, he given pi value for exactly 1 million decimal places. And after the decimal, he given 1 million places. Now nowadays we can get the pi value nearly 1.5 trillion decimal places. Though pi value, the value of pi is non-repeating, non-terminating, not repeating. There is no end, no repetitions. That's why that is irrational number. What about 22 by 7? This is not exact value. So that is not a rational number. This is the history of pi. Once again, pi is the ratio between circumference and diameter. Pi value is not 22 by 7. We are not taking 22 by 7. We are taking 22 by 7 for our purpose. This is not exact value. So it's not a rational number. It is irrational number. Aryabhatta given this value. Archimedes given this value. Srinivasa Ramanujan 1 decimal places. Nowadays we can get 1.5 trillion decimal places. Okay. This one. Thank you, Nana.